Today's topic is probability. You will need paper and a pencil during this lesson to write examples and solve problems that will be given on today's quiz. Yes, there will be a quiz at the end. Probability is the chance something will happen. Begin thinking about the following question. What is the probability that you will learn something from this lesson? Probability can be expressed as a fraction, percent, decimal, or can also be written out in words. Why learn about probability? You may have participated in a survey about a new product. Researchers use this information to analyze consumer trends and even to determine ratings for television shows and radio stations. They often sort the information they collect based on characteristics such as age, race, gender, and nationality of the people being surveyed. So let's think about some of your favorite TV shows or songs. Take College Hill or For the Love of Ray J, or even Beyonce's Put a Ring on It, for example. Statisticians use the information that they collect to calculate the ratings so that audiences know what is popular and what is not. This also tells us what's popular and what's not. For example, Samantha has 3 blue marbles, 5 red marbles, and 4 white marbles on the counter. Her cat comes along and knocks 1 marble on the floor. What is the probability it is a blue marble? The first step is the number of blue marbles will be the top number of the fraction. Write this number now. You should be writing the number of blue marbles next. You need to write the total number of marbles as the bottom number of the fraction. Go ahead and write this number now. The number of blue marbles is 3. That is our numerator. The number of total marbles is 12. That is our denominator. Our fraction is 3/12. Your answer may be expressed in lowest terms. Three-twelfths can be simplified to equal 1/4. This fraction can also be expressed as a decimal, a percent, and in words. 1/4 is equal to 25 hundredths, which is equal to 25%, which is equal to 1/4. Our next example. Find the probability. Write your answer as a fraction, as a decimal, and as a percent. Andy has 20 marbles in a bag. Of these, 9 are clear and 11 are blue. Find the probability of drawing a clear marble from the bag. Begin by writing the number of clear marbles that is in the bag as your numerator. Next, write the number of total marbles in the bag. We can use the probability formula to come up with this. In the numerator, that's the number of possible outcomes. The possible outcomes are 9 because we would like to have 9 clear marbles. The total number of outcomes is 20. That is the total number of marbles that is in the bag. Let's move on to the next example. Find the probability. Write your answer as a fraction, as a decimal, and as a percent. Andy has 20 marbles in a bag. Of these, 9 are clear and 11 are blue. Find the probability of drawing a blue marble from the bag. We begin by writing the probability formula. Probability is equal to the number of possible outcomes over the total number of outcomes. By now, you should have written the probability of drawing a blue marble from the bag. Let's check your work. The probability of drawing a clear marble from the bag is 9 over 20. The probability of drawing a blue marble from the bag is 11 over 20. Now that we have discussed probability, we should have a lesson quiz. On your paper, you will need to write the following answers. Number 1. A bag holds 4 red marbles, 3 green marbles, 3 yellow marbles, and 2 blue marbles. You pull one without looking. The probability of pulling a green marble is what? What is the probability of pulling a marble that is not green? You may solve this now. Number 2. Name at least 3 different ways to express probability. Number 3. What is the equation for probability? Please answer these 3 questions and wait for the teacher's instructions.